I've been a student at Western Nevada College a little over 2.5 years. I'm actually pursuing 2 degrees right now. I'm almost done with both the automotive tech degree, and then I'm also finishing my business emphasis degree. My goals are actually to use both, maybe in a transportation industry, maybe the automotive industry. The experience I've had at Western Nevada College, especially in the automotive program, it's actually twofold. A good portion of it is book work and learning how things work, kind of the science behind the technology, to build an understanding of what components in the automobiles and trucks do, why they do that, and what happens when they stop working. And then along with that knowledge, Western Nevada College is really good about hands-on. We spend probably anywhere between 50 to 75% in each semester actually in the shop, working with the tools, working on vehicles. So you not only learn the science behind it, but you actually get your hands into the equipment and the automobiles and seeing exactly what the science does. And then you also get to see what happens when these components don't work properly. And as we all know, technology in the automotive field now is a lot of it's computer, controlling emissions. The goal is lower emissions, higher miles per gallon, and a lot of that is done through computers. So it's more than just the days of adjusting carburetors, things like that are over with. You have to diagnose a lot of electronics, and you have to understand how those electronics work. And as we all know, those parts are not cheap. So being able to do it right the first time and understand what you're doing is really important. I did start off in pursuing a degree in automotive technology at another area school, and I wasn't really happy with the program. I decided to try taking the next step down here at Western Nevada College, and I quickly found out that it was worth the drive from Reno down here. The difference in the 2 schools' programs are night and day. As I've stated before, a good portion is book work here, and on the other side of the coin, there's another good portion of in the lab, actually hands-on. And at the other school I was attending, it just wasn't. It was almost all book work, and it left you feeling like you were missing a big chunk of what was going on, because pictures out of books and reading, when it comes to technology and the science behind how things work, you only get so much off of a page compared to using tools, your hands, and actually pulling components out and figuring out, are they working, and if not, why? Oh, the satisfaction level it's hard to measure. So I've learned so much here at Western Nevada College. If anything, since I'm still going to school, I can't really say anything about, at my job it's done wonders, but I like to fix my own vehicles, and I've saved a lot of money. And you get a real thrill out of spending the weekend diagnosing a problem, and then the knowledge that I've brought home from what I learned here in the shop and in the classroom to actually sit there, figure the problem out, fix it myself without having to pay someone roughly $95 an hour to do it and hope they do it right, and then get in my car afterwards and drive down the road and everything's fine. It's pretty exhilarating. If you have a passion for anything mechanical, automotive, motorcycle, boats, the bottom line is you're going to take so much from this program. There's an endless list of work out there, whether it's a private shop, whether it's a shop that only works on maybe brakes or transmission, to maybe a shop that only does brakes and alignments. Everything that an individual would get from this program pretty much ensures employment, along with also ASC testing. If students, along with this degree program, can earn certifications through the ASC testing program, that just makes your resume look that much better between a degree program and having ASC certification. This program is pretty much a guarantee for job placement. There's a lot of individuals out there that enjoy what we call wrenching, but they don't go to school, they don't earn certifications, and they definitely don't earn the degree. And even though they have a passion for it, obviously when you compare that individual to a person who's completed this degree program and maybe has some ASC certifications under their belt, they're going to be the ones that are guaranteed the job. And it's pretty standard that they get a bump up in pay too from what other individuals might start at without the degree program completion. To enroll in this program and see it through, it's really good, especially in today's job market. So, and everybody needs cars. So there's always room for more technicians out there. It's recession-proof work field to be in. Yeah, unless we go back to riding horses. So.